Welcome to the Track My Guys WorkPodium video demonstration. In this video, we will be reviewing the Company section. Let's get started. In the Company section, you can see the skills, job location, and departments that are added and make changes. In Skills, you will be able to add a new skill trade to the previously existing ones. Here you can see all of the skills that we have pre-made for you are highlighted in blue. To add a new skill, click on the orange Add New Skill button. Just add whatever skill you desire or need for your company. And also select the status to be active or inactive. You can see the skills created by your company will be highlighted in green. When you click on Active or Inactive at the top, you will see all of the active skills and inactivated. You can also activate skills that are in use and/or deactivate any skills that are not being used. On Job Location, you have a complete outlook of all your projects, select a location, and you can see all the active, completed, and inactive jobs. To add a new job location, simply just click the Add Job Location button on the upper right-hand side. Here you can add your job name, initial budget, and the date that the job was started. Type in your job location address. Here is an example. Make sure to click Save, and it will automatically save and show under the Active section. On the gray bar, you can easily navigate through your active jobs, completed jobs, and inactive jobs. To change the status of the job, just click on the job location you want to change. And here, you will have access to change whatever you desire, including whether the job is still active or not. You can also select Done for when the job is completed. While on a current job, you can view details such as the job location and budget timeline. In the Location section, you have the ability to customize the radius of your job area and determine where your employees can clock in and out. Here you have access to the budget timeline. You can also add messages to remember what was done at the job or what still needs to be completed. Here you can also change the budget value whenever it is needed. You can change the budget value amount to increase or decrease in budget. Once you change your budget value, the current budget will change automatically. In Department, you can see all the departments that you have added. To create a new department, click on the New Department tab in the upper right-hand side. Here you are able to add maximum shift hours. You can also turn the lunch deduction on or off. When lunch deduction is on, you can select how many hours after it can be deducted and/or the deduction time amount. You can also select the day that you want the deduction to be added to. You can also edit an existing one or add new departments to organize your employees into groups. You have the option of choosing shift times, adding lunchtime, and overtime if you choose. Here in Departments, you are also able to see all of the active and inactive departments as well. To change the activity status of a department, simply click on the department you wish to change and change the status as needed. That concludes our company overview. We trust that this video has been informative and helpful to you. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you for choosing our platform.